And here we got the final output of our application, how to create a responsive cards in HTML and CSS. And notice this is the cards. When I mouse over, notice it's rotating. Product information, the cupcake. Here I got the prices and calendars. The product information according to your requirement you can add, and I have told how to adjust the font size. Again, when I flip over, when I mouse over on the burger, we got the burger information. I got the ice cream information. When I mouse over on the cupcake, here we got the cupcake. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a responsive cards in HTML, and also notice here this is the responsive cards. When I minimize, see here we got everything. Let's start the tutorial how to create a responsive cards in HTML and CSS. Using HTML and CSS only, I want to create a responsive cards. For that, I am creating a small restaurant menu. Let's start the coding part. First, let's add the doctor, the basic HTML elements as usual. I'm adding here header section. After the header section, we'll have the body tag. Now, inside this body tag, I'm adding one center element. Center. Now here, I'm defining H3 element. I'm defining one H3 element. How to create a responsive cards in HTML and CSS. So here H4 tag, let's add the H4 tag, do the restaurant menu. After that, I'm adding one horizontal line. Now here I'm creating the cards. For that, I'm adding one div container. We require one div to create the cards, responsive cards. First one is the menu card. In this menu card, I'm adding div class menu item, and div class is equals to card friend. Here my intention is when a user mouse over on the card, I want to rotate, it will show the price of that product. For this, I'm taking a restaurant menu, means it's a menu. Restaurant menu means like burger, ice cream, cakes, like that. I'm adding here the images, card, and reduce we have here. Now here I'm adding one image source. Let's add the image is equals to first one ice cream. This ice cream folder I have added in my folder. See here, ice cream folder. It's my folder. Alternative text, menu, ice cream. Let's add the ice cream only here. Ice cream. And after that, I'm adding the H3 element. This is the ice cream. P tag. Description. Let's give the description here. If you want, you can give the description of the ice cream. That's it. Instead of H3, I'm adding, let's decrease the size. And okay, this is the card friend. Now additional information, when I mouse over, I want to turn around, I want to display the price of this ice cream. You can add any details here. For this example, I'm adding class is equals to card back. So when it's mouse over on this card, it will rotate, and I want to display this div container. H3, like additional information, like additional information of the product, Let's give the product information. It will be big message, product information, product information. And after that, I'm adding the p tag. The price around $10. Let's add the $10. Around $10. And calories. Let's add the calories around something 100 calories. That's it. Now let's copy this one, and I'm adding for the second card. Next what we have a burger also. The alternate message for the image is a burger, and this one is a burger. Just change according to your requirement. Just for the demo purpose, I'm adding this all the things. Burger around $12. Like calories, I'm adding 200 calories. Again, I'm changing three cards. I'm adding ice cream, burger. What I have? Cupcake. Let's add the cupcake. And this is, instead of ice cream, I'm adding cupcake. Description of the cupcake. Product information, like cupcake around $5. Calories around 10 calories. That's it. Up to now we have just finished the designing part to add the cards and images. Now my aim is, when I mouse over on the card, I want to flip around, rotate, and I want to display the product information. So for that we require the styles. Let's add the style. Here I'm adding like H3. What are the header tags here? H4 and H5. H5 here. This H3 is the main header, no? So I'm not including in this tag. Text align, center, font family. Let's add this one. Let's add this style. And font size is 50 pixels. Font weight is like bold. Background color, here the background color, let's have the multiple background color. Background, linear gradient, to right, tomato color, and black color also, black color, tomato. And the text color I want to display white for this H3 tag. And next one, we have a menu card. Now let's add some styles to this menu card. Menu card is a class name, so we need to add dot menu card display flex, flex wrap, flex wrap is I'm wrapping justified content is the center of the card, and gap between the gaps I want to 50 pixels, padding top 50 pixels. These styles according to your requirement you can change, but these are the properties we have to use. And next one is the menu item. So copy this one, menu item, width is around 300 pixels, height and width I'm adding here 350 pixels, perspective like 1000 pixels, perspective 1000 pixels. And what else we have? We have first let's add the image, border radius. Let's add the border radius. I'm adding 50 pixels. And card front also we have card front. Copy this one, and card front, copy this one and paste here. Card front, and card back also we have, no? Card back. So copy this one, dot, card back. Let's get some space here. Position is absolute position. Top is 0. Left is 0. Width 100%. Height 100%. Back face visibility hidden. The card back face is hidden. When I mouse over, I want to rotate. So transition, transform. The time I'm adding 2 seconds delay time, and what else we have here? Let's add some styles to the card front. This is a functionality to hide the card back. Now card front. Let's add some styles to the card front. Dot is a class name. Card front. Background color I'm adding. Background color is let's add the white color. We'll change if it doesn't look good. We'll change the background colors and everything. But border radius 8 pixels. Border, I'm adding the border. Border is 1 pixel solid. Black color. Padding around 20 pixels. Text align, center. And color, background color is white, no? So we need to text color is white. Text color black, black. Text color black. Now we'll add styles to the card back. Dot, card back. Background color. Background color will add some this one azure. Light colors I'm adding. Color is black or red color. You can use any color here. Let's add this one is a black color. Let's add black color. Black. Here we have added white, so the background color black here. This one is white. Border radius 8 pixels. Padding 20 pixels. Text align, center. Now here transform, rotate. I want to rotate Y degrees, 180 degrees I want to rotate. 180 degrees. And now the functionality, menu item. When I place the menu item, I want to flip to the back side. So let's add the menu item. When I hover chord front, transform like what we have added here. Need to add here. I want to rotate. When I mouse over, I want to rotate. Again the same thing, copy this thing, menu item. When I mouse release from the card, I want to rotate 0 degrees. It will come back, card back. Yeah, that's it. Over card style. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. To create a responsive cards in HTML using HTML and CSS, I'm creating a responsive cards. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. For that, we need to open the File Explorer. Let's open that one. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript interview. Let's open that one. And this is our file name, responsive code CSS. Let's check the file name, responsive code CSS. Let's open this file. And here we got the final output of our application. How to create a responsive cards in HTML and CSS. And notice this is the cards. When I mouse over, notice it's rotating. Product information, the cupcake. Here I got the prices and calories. The product information according to your requirement you can add, and I have told how to adjust the font size. Again, when I flip over, when I mouse over on the burger, we got the burger information. I got the ice cream information. When I mouse over on the cupcake, here we got the cupcake. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a responsive cards in HTML, and also notice here this is the responsive cards. When I minimize, see here we got everything. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a responsive cards in using HTML and CSS styles. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.